Hey guys, Captain Rob here. We're doing some docking lessons on a single engine boat. I've had a lot of requests to do more videos on a single engine boat. Sorry for the attire here. I was not planning to film. The reason we're filming today is because we got some wind. It's probably 8 to 10 miles an hour, something like that. And the wind is also blowing us off of the dock, which makes it more challenging. This boat is normally pulled in. We're going to go ahead and we're going to reverse in, but the lines are set up for the boat to be pulled in, so I'm not going to actually tie it up because I'd have to redo all the lines. If you look in front of us here, normally you would be coming down this fairway. We're actually reversing down the fairway right now. The reason why we're reversing down the fairway is because when you're stern into the wind, especially the way the wind's pushing us off this dock, you're going to have more control over the boat. So in this situation, going stern into the wind in the dock is actually going to be a better situation. All right, so if you look behind us, we're right next to this white boat with that tan top. And so I'm going to go ahead and start setting up my docking, and I'll kind of walk you through what I'm doing here. So I'm going to go ahead and reverse towards the dock. I'm kind of pointing right towards that end 4x4 at the end of the dock there. Okay, we're going to go into neutral to slow down some of this momentum. Boat's already kind of rotating the way it should be. I'm not doing anything, it just kind of is. Alright, so right now, I don't need to do anything. I'm just going to let the momentum do what it's doing because it's actually kind of lining us up. It isn't supposed to be easy, guys, sorry. But I'm not, it's just whatever happens, happens. Alright, now normally we would assume there's a boat here. Even if there was a boat here, our current momentum is good. We would be fine if there was a boat there. So right now we're going to go ahead and we're going to put it reverse just for a moment. Count 1 1,000, 2 1,000, back into neutral. Okay, we're looking really good. I'm not going to do anything because once again the wind's blowing us right in. Okay, the bow is actually starting to over rotate to the port. So to correct that, I'm going to turn the boat to starboard and I'm going to go into forward just for a moment. Okay, that brought over the back too much. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and we're going to abort this because the bow is over rotated. So now I'll show you guys how to correct it because you got to know how to do that too. Okay, so let's just go ahead and reapproach this whole thing. And guys, when it comes to docking, reapproach as many times as you need to. If it's not a good approach, that's fine. Do it over again and again and again until you get it right. So that being said, let me get to work. All right, so we're looking pretty good here. Let's go into forward just for a moment. Back into neutral. I'm going to turn to port just a little bit. Neutral. Try to get nice and straight on this dock. I don't want to over-rotate though. Okay, reverse. Neutral. Let that momentum do its thing. Reverse, back into neutral, let the momentum do its thing. Right now we're looking pretty good, guys. I'm gonna go reverse, 1 1,000, 2 1,000, back into neutral. Now we're gonna turn the wheel just a little bit to starboard, a light hit and revert or forward. That'll suck in the bow a little bit more. And that's pretty much good, guys, right there. So again, these lines right now, they're set up for the boat to be pulled in. They're not gonna line up since we're backed in. But I just want to, pretty much show you how to handle that situation. Like I said, it's really important when you're docking. It's okay to mess up. It's okay to reapproach. Don't worry about the other people in the marina that are watching you. It's no big deal. Better to reapproach as many times as you need to than to crash your boat and do something wrong. So don't worry about it, guys. I'm going to continue to do more videos in harder situations, knowing that they're not going to go smooth, so you guys can see what to do in those situations. So I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe, follow wherever you're following me at. It really helps support the channel. Check out the website, CaptainRobBoating.com. We have a variety of solutions. So we do on-the-water training here in the Toledo area. We offer an online course, and then I have a number of products that are all available on the website. So once again, I hope you liked the video. Captain Rob, out.